Hey, my name is Osama Malik and I am from Pakistan. Today I am excited to share my top 3 favorite AI tech influencers on social media. First, there is Andrew Wenche, whose deep insights and clear explanation make complex AI concepts understandable for everyone. And I'm also taking his courses on Coursera. His courses not only provided me with a solid understanding of AI concepts, but also equipped me with the practical skills that I have applied in real world scenarios. Now we have Sam Altman, whose visionary approach and thought leadership consistently motivate me. He constantly pushes the boundaries of technology. Now let's talk about someone closer to my heart, Irfan Malik. Irfan Malik is a remarkable data scientist in Pakistan, and his dedication to education is truly inspiring. Thought has free online lectures of machine learning on YouTube and Facebook. He's making a significant impact, particularly in Pakistan, and his efforts play a vital role in spreading knowledge, in spreading awareness and knowledge of AI in our region. Thank you.